Okay, so for this activity, it's called Minefield. As you guys can see, there's a ton of cones out here. The point of this activity is for trust and communication. So you're all in a group of 2, or there's one group of 3. We'll help you guys figure out how to do the group of 3. But what's gonna happen is one partner is gonna be blindfolded, and the other partner is gonna have to stay on this white line, okay, and direct their partner to the other end without hitting any cones. If your partner hits a cone, okay, the sighted person, the one who's giving directions, is gonna walk out and direct their partner back here, guide their partner back here, and try and redirect them back through. So once you finish, once your partner makes it to the end, you can take your blindfold off and then walk your way back down here around the outside, and we'll wait till everyone finishes to do the next, for the next partner to go. So first partner, go ahead and blindfold yourself, and then I will let you know when we start. Second partner, go behind your first partner. So 2 of you are going to do it at the same time, and one person, so Izzy can direct above the people. Oh, okay. You guys are going to be either following each other or side to side. So, can you get it? If you need another blindfold, you can tie 2 together. Excuse me? Yes. Do you have a question? Me? No, Caroline. Okay. So, where should go? Oh, that's a good idea. Look at that idea. Okay, cool, ladies. Are we I think I'm gonna lose blood, so I'd be like, got it? So the blindfolded partner should be in front of the sighted partner. And we're gonna start in a couple seconds. Am I on the line? Is Maria going first? Yes. Am I on the line? I can see you. I can see that Megan's right there, and then the camera guy's there, and then whoever's next to me, so. The camera guy's there. Oh, okay. Wait, is it still there? Alright, how are we doing down there? Are you guys good? Okay, ladies, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Second person, go ahead and direct your first partner through. Okay, go ahead. No, right! No, right! Right! Keep going! I can't hear it!
You lost. You walked into a mine.
Where am I?
You're good. You lost.
Straight. Okay, now turn to the left a little bit. Now just like just walk straight. Oh, turn to the right a little bit.
good, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Okay, Aaliyah's gonna put one on and then hold on.
You won, Maddie. Surprisingly, she's gonna win.
Stay on the line, yes?
Sore loser. Land the line?
There's a cameraman.
Okay.
I shall choke her. Alright, so put the blindfold on.
You didn't see anything.
Just waiting on, hold on 1 second.
You're waiting on us.
Finishing a couple
Maddie,
blindfolds
that's
here.
like way too high. Put it like right there. Make it blind. Yeah, I can't see. It's all bunched up. I know.
Alright, so blindfolded partner on the line. Okay. Sighted partner, you're gonna direct them through. Okay, once you finish, make sure that you're just kind of being a little bit quiet so that everyone can hear directions. Okay? Go ahead.
You won, you won. Barely.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you're good.
Run, as fast as you can. Turn it.
You're good. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Oh, that is more difficult than I thought it was. Good job, Hannah. And good. Right there?
Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Everything is blurry.
Alright, ladies, so come on in quickly. Each group needs to get one soccer ball and re-blindfold the first person, okay? One soccer ball per group, blindfold on the first person again. Maddie, get a ball. Maddie, go get a ball.
How we do this?
I know. So come on back, re-blindfold the first person. Okay, we're gonna dribble through the cones this time.
Maggie, it would be so nice if you could move some of those cones over there.
That would be really nice. We're gonna challenge you. I'm ready. Still can't see. Ready for this? All right, re-blindfold the first person.
Can we follow our partners?
Fall at their feet. Okay.
Wait, no,
No, that's light.
All right, first person on the line. Make sure you can hear me.
Is it tight?